Guys, I'm audible. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Okay, what we discussed previous class, guys? Anyone, please respond. I think yesterday demo class, right? What are the topics in aptitude? What are the topics in reasoning? Both aptitude and reasoning, how many topics are there? Both aptitude and reasoning, how many topics are there? Right, approximately 45 topics are there. Both aptitude and reasoning, how many topics are there? So 45 topics are there, right? And yesterday some problems are simplification. So simplification సంబంధించి కొన్ని టాపిక్ కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనము సాల్వ్ చేసాం, right? Okay. So move on to next topic, guys. One of the important topic in aptitude problems and ages. If you are preparing for any exam, the concept weightage is at least so 1 to 3 marks, guys, here. So that's why very important topic and very dead easy topic, guys, here. All right. So if you are preparing for TCS exam, Wipro exam, whatever the exam, we get questions frequently from this topic, problems and ages. All right. So before going to the concept, 2 points are very important, guys, here. Before going to the concept, 2 points are, so video is not playing, guys. So screen is visible. Yes or no? Anyone, please respond. So video is playing or not? Anyone? Yes, very good. Okay, right. Before going to the concept, 2 points are very important, guys, here. Okay. The first point, what is the ratio? The first point here, what is the ratio? For example, guys, for example, 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio, guys? Anyone? In generally, anyone? 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio, guys? Anyone? Okay, so very good. Somebody saying so 1 is to 10. Very good, but it is a wrong answer, guys, here. Why? Because here is given 10 rupees and here is given 100 liters. Here is given 10 rupees and here is given 100 liters. How can you calculate rupees and liters, guys? How can you calculate rupees and liters? Cancel చేయొచ్చా మనము? No అండి. Okay, so cancel చేయలేం. రూపీస్ కి లీటర్స్ కి ఎలా cancel చేస్తాం మనము? Right. So 10 rupees is one quantity and here also rupees, guys, here also rupees. So 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Then answer is 1 is to 10. So 10 liters and 100 liters. Then answer is 1 is to 10. Ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, what is the ratio, guys? Two quantities are 10 rupees is one quantity, 100 rupees is another quantity. Two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Is called the ratio, guys, here. For example, A comma B, the ratio is A is to B or A by B is same. A is to B or A by B is same, guys, here. Okay. All right. For example, guys, here 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same, guys, here. 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same, guys, here. Okay. All right. For example, here A means antecedent. Here A means antecedent and B means consequent. Here A means antecedent and B means consequent, guys, here. Just remember what is the ratio, guys, here. Okay, just remember what is the ratio. What is the ratio, guys? Anyone? Okay, so ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay, A is to B or A is to B or A by B is same. Just remember this point, guys, here. Right? Anyone, any doubts regarding first point, guys? Anyone, any doubts regarding first point? So am I audible, guys, all of you? Okay, right, Andy. And next one, second point, proportion. Okay, second point, proportion. So proportion means, look at the screen, guys, here. Proportion means two ratios. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Okay. A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. Okay. Na? For example, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. Find out the proportion. Look like a B C and D. What is the proportion formation, guys? AD is equal to BC. Then 2 into 6 is equal to 3 into 4. 2 6 are 12. 3 4 are 12. 12 is equal to 12. Okay, it is a proportion or not, guys? Okay, right. It is a proportion because both sides are equal. Both sides are equal. It is a proportion. So just remember, guys, here proportion means two ratios are equal. A is to B is one ratio and C is to D is another ratio. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. So this point is very, very important, guys, here. Okay. So if you are going to solve the problem in basic method, definitely we are using proportion concept, guys, here. If you are going to solve the problem in basic method, definitely we are using so proportion concept, guys, here. That's why just remember, so proportion formation AD is equal to BC. Okay, so and fourth proportion, third proportion, second proportion ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ కి అవసరం లేదండి. సో రేషియో అండ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను అక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. బట్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ కి ఎంతవరకు కావాలో అది మాత్రమే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానండి ఇక్కడ. So that's why just remember these 2 points, guys, here. What is the ratio? What is the proportion? Ratio means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Just remember A is to B or A by B is same. Okay. And coming to the second one, proportion. What is the proportion? Okay. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? What is the ratio and what is the proportion? Anyone? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? Okay, right, Andy. Very good. And coming to the next point, guys, here. Coming to the next point. If you are perfect, guys, if you are perfect in fundamentals, guys, total enter the topic is very, very, very dead easy. I think no need pen and paper, guys. 90%, I think no need pen and paper. Okay. If you are perfect in fundamentals, okay, I think very, very dead easy. In this concept, I'm not using any formulas, guys, here. Okay, I'm using only formation. I'm using only formation, guys, here. So and think generally, guys, here. Think generally. Think generally. Right? Okay. So next, coming to the next point, past age, present age, and future age, guys, here. Okay, right. For example, present, my age is 30 years, guys, here. For example, present, my age is 30 years. 5 years ago, 5 years ago. So my age was how much, guys? Anyone? Present, my age is 30 years. Okay, 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Anyone? So anyone, please respond. Present, my age is 30 years. So 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Yes, very good, excellent. So 25 years. Okay, 25 years. I'm taking same example, guys, here. Present, my age is 30 years. So 5 years before. So 5 years before, my age was how much? 25 years. Okay. Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years before, my age was 25 years. Just remember, guys, in this concept, ago or before means minus. Okay. Just remember, guys, here. So in this concept, ago or before means minus. Just remember this point, guys, here. Okay. Right. And coming to the, I'm taking same example, guys, here. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. Present, my age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys? So present, my age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys? Anyone? Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent. So 40 years, guys, here. Very good. 40 years. Okay. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. So 10 years hence, 10 years hence, my age will be 40 years. Okay. My age will be 40 years. Very good. Excellent. Just remember, guys, in this concept, after or hence means plus, okay, ago or before means minus. Just remember these 2 points, guys, here. Okay, ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus, guys, here. Okay, right, Andy. So one more example, guys, here. For example, the present two persons A and B, the present, the sum of age is 60 years. Okay, both ages 60 years, guys, here. The present sum of ages AB age is 60 years. Okay, so 3 years ago, 3 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? Anyone? The present sum age is both AB age is 60 years. 3 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? Anyone? 54 years. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. 54 years. Somebody saying 57. Okay. Right. 54 is the right answer, guys, here. Why? Because, for example, A is myself and B is yourself, guys, here. For example, A is myself and B is yourself. సో సింపుల్ గా థింక్ చేయండి. నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందండి. నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నాకు 3 ఇయర్స్ సో డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి, మీకు కూడా 3 ఇయర్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. అంటే టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలండి? 6 ఇయర్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అవ్వాలి. రైట్? 60 minus 6. How much, guys? 54 years. Very good. Excellent, guys, here. Excellent. Okay. So 3 years ago, their ages was 54 years. Very good. Excellent. Somebody saying 40. No, only. Okay. Right. So 3 years ago, their ages was 54 years. Right. Very good. Excellent. One more example, guys, here. Three persons, A, B, C. Three persons, the present some age is 60 years. 3% the present some age is 60 years. After 5 years their ages will be how much, guys? After 5 years their ages will be how much? Anyone, guys? Yes, very good, excellent. 75 years. Okay, 75 years. Okay, right. For example, so A keep 5 years increasing and B also 5 years increasing and C also 5 years increasing. Total how many years increasing? 15 years increasing. 15 years increasing. 60 plus 15, 75 years. After 5 years, their ages will be 75 years. Very good, Andy. Okay, so in this concept, after means plus, ago means minus. Just remember, guys, this point. Okay, right, Andy. So somebody saying 40, how, Andy? Right. Anyone, guys? Any doubts regarding these 2 points, guys? Anyone? Any doubts regarding these 2 points? Ago or before means minus, after or hence means plus. Just remember these 2 points, guys, here. Just remember 2 points. Okay, right, Andy. And coming to the next point, guys, here. Coming to the next point. Twice problems, thrice problems, right? Twice means how many times? 2 times. Okay. Thrice means how many times? 3 times. Okay. So twice problems and thrice problems, guys, here. Right. The first point here, father age is 3 times the age of his son. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Okay, right, Andy. First, I'm going to hear basic method, guys, here. First, I'm going to hear basic method. Right. Look at the screen, guys, here carefully. So, sun ages we don't know, guys, here. Sun ages we don't know. Latex, guys, here. Sun ages we don't know. Latex. Father is how many times, guys, here? 3 times. Father is how many times? 3 times. Okay. So, x into 3, 3x. Okay. So, the formation is here. 3x is to x, guys, here. Formation is very, very important, guys, here. Okay. So, father age is 3 times the age of his son. So, son age is we don't know. Latex. If you are going to basic method, guys, here. If you are going to basic method, son age is we don't know. Latex. Father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3, 3x, guys, here. Right. For example, guys, here. For example, if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to shortcut method, okay, sun age is we don't know. Let one, guys, here. Sun age is we don't know. Let one. Okay. Na? So, okay, right. Sun age is we don't know. Let one, guys, here. Father is how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3, guys, here. 1 into 3, 3. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది డౌట్ రావచ్చు అనమాట. అంటే సార్ ఫాదర్ సన్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ 1 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నారు సార్ అంటే సో నో ప్రాబ్లం యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ నో ప్రాబ్లం గైస్ హియర్ బట్ ఫైనలీ వి విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. సన్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎనీ నంబర్ నో ప్రాబ్లం but we will finally we will get the same answer. For example, I'm taking sun ages we don't know 5 parts, guys, here. Sun ages we don't know 5 parts. Okay, father is how many times? 3 times. So 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 5, 15. For example, sun ages we don't know. Let 100 years. No issue, guys. You can take any value. No problem. Okay, but we will get the final same answer. Right. For example, you are taking sun is here 100 years. Father is how many times? 3 times. 100 into 3, 300. Okay, let me check, guys, here. So finally, we will get the same answer, guys, here. No issue. All right, look at the screen, guys, here. Here, 3 is to 1. It means, so son is 1 part, father is 3 parts. And coming to the next one, if you are taking son age is 5 parts. If you are taking son age is 5 parts, guys, here. Okay, all right. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. So final answer is 3 is to 1. If you are taking sun age is 100 years, okay, so 2020 cancel. The final answer is 3 is to 1. That's why you can take sun age any value, but finally we will get the same answer. 3 is to 1, 3 is to 1, and 3 is to 1. Okay, so that's why you can take any value, guys, here. Sun age is we don't know. Okay, so finally we will get the same answer. Got my point, all of you? Any doubts regarding this point? Okay, right, very good. And coming to the next point, guys, here, coming to the next point, father is aged three times more than his son. Okay, father is aged three times more than his son. Okay, right. For example, guys, here I'm going to basic method. I'm going to basic method. Sonages we don't know. Okay, sonages we don't know. Latex, guys, here. Sonages we don't know. Latex. So father is how many times? Three times, right? 3 into x, 3x. More means adding, guys, here. More means adding. Less means subtraction. So more than his son. Son is how much? X, guys, here. Okay. First read the first statement, guys, carefully. So son is we don't know. Let x. So father is how many times? Three times. X into 3, 3x. More means adding. Less means subtraction. More than his son. Son is how much? X. 3x plus x. 4x is to x, guys, here. That is a formation. That is a formation, guys, here. If you are going to shortcut method, sonages we don't know, let one, guys, here. Sonages we don't know, let one. Okay. So father is how many times? Three times. 1 into 3, 3. More means adding. More than his son. Sonage is how much? One part. 3 plus 1, 4 is to 1. Okay, this is a shortcut method and this is a basic method. If you are going to basic method, definitely we are taking x value, y value like this, guys, here. Right? Okay, so look at the screen, guys, sir. Twice problem, thrice problems. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది డౌట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. సార్ ఓన్లీ ట్వైస్ థ్రైస్ గురించి మాత్రమే చెప్పారు. సో ఇప్పుడు 5 times 10 times ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు సార్? నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 times అనుకుందాం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెట్ us assume 5 times. Right? Sonage is we don't know. Let 1. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. So the answer is 5 is to 1. That is the formation, guys. If you are going to basic method, Sonage is we don't know. Let x. Father is how many times? 5 times. X into 5, 5x. The formation is, so 5x is to x, guys, here. Is it clear, guys? All of you? Any doubts regarding these 2 points, guys? Twice problems and thrice problems. So only fundamentals, guys, here. Only fundamentals. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఫండమెంటల్స్ గురించి మాత్రమే మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ ఫండమెంటల్స్, టోటల్ ఎంటర్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్ very dead easy, guys, here. I think no need pen and paper. 90% of the problems, I think no need pen and paper. Only 10% we are using, so pen and paper, guys, here. Right? So any doubts regarding ratio? What is the ratio? What is the proportion? Okay. Ego or before means minus, after or hence means plus, twice problems and thrice problem. Any doubts regarding these 6 points, guys? Okay, right. Very good. Right. If you are perfect in these 6 points, total enter the concept is very dead easy, guys, here. Total enter the concept is very easy. Right. Move on to first problem, guys, here. Move on to first problem. For example, a question like this: the ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, they will be the ratio of 5 is to 6. Find the present age of A is. Find the present age of A is. Okay. First of all, I'm going to basic method. Okay. First, నేను basic method లో problem solve చేస్తాను. After that, shortcut method చెప్తాను. After that, substitution method చెప్తాను. అంటే without pen తో problem ఎలా solve చేస్తాను కూడా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానండి. నో ఇష్యూ. రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్. ఎందుకంటే సో బేసిక్ మెథడ్ మనం ప్రాపర్ గా ఉంటేనే కదండి షార్ట్ కట్స్ మెథడ్స్ ఎన్ని వచ్చినా మనం అప్లై చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ బేసిక్ మెథడ్, ఓకేనా, సో మనం ఇంకా ఏ షార్ట్ కట్స్ అప్లై చేయలేమండి. రైట్ అండి. చెక్ చేద్దాం, క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Present age of A and B is A and B is 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5, guys, here. Okay, so A is how many parts here? Present 4 parts. B is how many parts here? 5 parts. Okay, right. And the present age of A and B is 4 is to 5. Look at the screen, guys, here. Their ages we don't know. Let x, guys, here. Their ages we don't know. Let x. And 4x and 5x and note cheyandi. Says or no? 4x or is to 5x note cheyacha. The ranges we don't know. Let x guys here. Yes or no? All right. So read the next statement, guys. Here, read the next statement. After 5 years, after means plus. After means plus, right? 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5. Is it clear, guys? All of you? After 5 years, they will be the ratio of 5 is to 6. They will be the ratio of 5 is to 6 అండి. ఇది ఫార్మేషన్ అండి. ఈ ఫార్మేషన్ వస్తే చాలండి ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు అండి. ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. రైట్ అండి. Look at the screen guys here carefully. So for example, look like a and B and C and D. Look like a proportion. Look like a proportion. What is a proportion formation, guys? The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. If you are going to basic method, definitely we are using proportion concept, guys. Here, proportion concept. All right. Proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. Note down, guys. Here, 6 into 4x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. I'm writing here only proportion concept, guys. Here, AD is equal to BC. Right. Let me calculate, guys. Here, 6 4s are 24x, 6 5s are 30 is equal to 5 5s are 25x. Again 5 5s are 25. Okay, excellent side తీసుకొచ్చేద్దామండి ఇక్కడ. Excellent side తీసుకొచ్చేద్దాం. 25x minus 24x x. Okay, 30 minus 25 5. X values how many years, guys? Here 5 years. X values how many years? 5 years. Okay, we have to find out the percentage of A. Present A is how many parts here? 4x, guys. Here, okay, is equal to 4 into x values how much? 5 years. 4 5s are 20 years. Now which option is the right answer, guys? Here, option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer, guys. Here, right? So this is a basic method, guys. Here, any doubts regarding this basic method, guys? All of you, anyone respond? Any doubts regarding this basic method? Yes, very good, excellent. 20 years. Right, very good, Andy. If you are going to basic method, definitely we are taking 2 to 3 minutes time, guys. Here, that's why so waste of time, guys. Here, okay, if you are going to basic method, definitely we are taking 2 to 3 minutes time. Okay, it's a waste of time, I think. Okay, I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen, guys. Here, I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen, guys. Here, right. And coming to the second model, guys. Here, shortcut method. Okay, coming to the shortcut method, guys. Here, the given information A is to be how much, guys? 4 is to 5. The given information A is to be how much, guys? 4 is to 5. After 5 years, the age ratio is how much? 5 is to 6. And after 5 years, age ratio is how much? 5 is to 6, guys. Here, okay, so after 5 years another, after anna, okay, ego anna same shortcut workout అవుతుంది. ఇలా మిడిల్ లో నోట్ చేసేయండి. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్న సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్, గైస్. హియర్, ఇలా మిడిల్ లో నోట్ చేసేసేయండి. రైట్, ప్రాబ్లం మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి 3 స్టెప్స్ యూస్ చేస్తానండి. అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్, బట్ మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి మాత్రమే ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ 3 స్టెప్స్ అండి. ఇక్కడ 3 స్టెప్స్. రైట్, ఓకే, look at the screen, guys. Here, the first step, cross multiplication, check the difference. The first step, cross multiplication, check the difference. Okay, 6 4s are 24 and 5 5s are 25. Difference is how much? 1, not a minus 1, guys. Here, we are checking only difference, guys. Here, okay, minus 1 note cheyakudandi. Why? Because for example, my age is 50 years, your age is 20 years. Difference is how many years, guys? 30 years అని చెప్తాం జనరల్ గా మనం. అంతేగాని -30 years అని చెప్తామా? నో అండి. జస్ట్ వీఆర్ చెకింగ్ ఓన్లీ డిఫరెన్స్, గైస్. హియర్, దట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. వాట్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, గైస్? Cross multiplication, check the difference. Cross multiplication, check the difference. And coming to the second step, coming to the second step, check the second ratio difference. Check the second ratio. Second ratio is how much? 5 is to 6. So difference is how much? 1. Check the second ratio difference. That is the second step. And coming to the third step, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Okay, step 2 difference by step 1 difference. All right, we have to find out the percentage of A. Present A is how many parts? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. Okay, 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. It is a multiplication into step 2 difference. Step 2 difference is how much? 1 by step 1 difference is how much? 1. Okay, then is equal to 20 into 1 by 1 means 20 years. Okay, 20 years. So that's why first option is the right answer. 20 years, guys. Here. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding shortcut method? Any doubts regarding shortcut method? Right. And for example, if you want to find out the percentage of B, so B is how many parts here? Okay, 5 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay, second step difference is how much? 1. By first step difference is how much? 1 is equal to 25 years. Okay, 25 years. And so if you are going to basic method, find out the percentage of B. So B is how many parts here? 5x. Then B is equal to 5 into x value is how much? 5. 5 5s are 25 years. Again 25 years. అంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని ఎలా అయినా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు అండి. బట్ సో జస్ట్ 1 minute బిలోనే మనం అది ఎంత పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అయినా మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ ఆల్సో టేకింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 minute 1 or 2 minutes టైం అండి. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ అ వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైం అండి. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆన్సర్ జస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ ఆర్ వితౌట్ పెన్ గైస్ హియర్. రైట్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ సెకండ్ మెథడ్ గైస్ హియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ సెకండ్ మెథడ్? Okay, right, Andy. I'm going to third method, guys. Here, I think no need pen and paper. I think no need pen and paper, Andy. Okay, 1 second. Just clear observe చేయండి. రైట్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒక ఇందాక నుంచి ఒక క్లాక్ రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఓన్లీ 30 seconds చాలండి. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఓన్లీ 30 seconds చాలు. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి. ప్రాబ్లమ్ చూడగానే జస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో వితౌట్ పెన్ తో ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. బట్ మీరేంటి సార్ మరి స్క్రీన్ మీద నోట్ చేస్తున్నారంటే మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి మాత్రమే నేను ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేస్తున్నానండి. బట్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో సో నేను ఎవరికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వాట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? 20 ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్, 30 and 41 years. 41 years. Right. So problem చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో క్లియర్ గా 30 seconds సాల్వ్ చేద్దామండి. సో what is the present age of A? Present A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After 5 years, so A is how many parts? 5 parts. Go through option verification. What is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4, guys, here. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 5 years, after means plus 20 plus 5, 25. So 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so that's why option 1 is the right answer. Okay, option 1 is the right answer. ఇంకా remaining 13 seconds ఉన్నాయండి. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ 13 seconds ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి, హాఫ్ మినిట్ బిలోనే మనం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసామో. కావాలంటే చెక్ ద రిమైనింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్సో. వాట్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్? 30. 30 ఇస్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 4 కాదు, దట్స్ వై రాంగ్ అండి. అండ్ 41. 41 ఇస్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 4 నో అండి, దట్స్ వై రాంగ్ అండి. దట్స్ వై ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేస్తాము మనము. క్లియర్ అండి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఓకే, జస్ట్ 30 seconds బిలోనే మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తామండి. 30 seconds బిలోనే. So I think no need pen and paper అండి. Okay, so what is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4 Yes, 4 5s are 20. ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years అన్నాడు. ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే ఏంటి? ప్లస్ ఏ కదా. 20 + 5 ఎంత? 25. 25 is a multiples of 5 అండి. ఎస్, 5 5s are 25. సో టూ కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ 1 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేస్తాము. క్లియర్ కదండి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? సో ఇంకెలాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉండకూడదండి. ప్రాబ్లం చూడగానే విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ వితౌట్ టైం సాల్వ్ చేసే విధంగా నేను చెప్తాను మీకు. సో డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి ఫాస్ట్ గా పింక్ చేయండి. అగైన్ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను నేను. నో ఇష్యూ అండి. ఓకే, సో ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేవనేది కాదండి ఇక్కడ. ఎంత కాన్సెప్ట్ మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం ఈ రోజుకి, ఎంత కాన్సెప్ట్ మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాం, ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంతే. సో ఫాస్ట్ గా ఒక 30-40 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసినా నో యూజ్ అండి. బట్ మనం ఎంత కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రాపర్ గా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాం అది మాత్రమే ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ గైస్ హియర్? ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకొని వెళ్తామండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం కాబట్టి నేను 3 మెథడ్స్ లో సాల్వ్ చేసి చూపించాను. ఓకేనా? అండ్ అలా అని చెప్పి ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ కి 3 or 4 మెథడ్ 5 మెథడ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయను. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని బట్టి మనం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటామో అలా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుని వెళ్తూ ఉంటాం. మీకు కావాలంటే అప్పుడు అడగండి, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నో ఇష్యూ. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? రైట్ అండి. మూవ్ ఆన్ టు నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి. మీరు కొంచెం క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్. The present age of A and B are in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. After 3 years, ages ratio will become 11:9. What is the present age of B? What is the present age of B and D? B యొక్క present age మనం find out చేయాలి. Anyone guys, which option is the right answer అండి? Anyone guys, which option is the right answer? So option B, very good, excellent. Okay, excellent and option B. Right అండి. So go through option verification. We have to find out the present age of B. Present B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. After 3 years. So B is how many parts here? 9 parts. Go through option verification. Right. So what is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4 guys. Yes. 4 5s are 20. After 3 years. After 3 years. After means plus. 20 plus 3. 23. 23 is a multiples of 9 guys. No. That's why first option is the wrong option. That's why first option is the wrong option. And move on to second option. 24. 24 is a multiples of 4 guys. Yes. 4 6 are 24. After how many years? 3 years. 24 plus 3 is how much guys? 27. 27 is a multiples of 9 guys. Yes. 9 3s are 27. That's why option B is the right answer guys here. That's why option B is the right answer. Very good. Very good. Andy. So I think no need pen and paper guys here. If you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to basic method, we'll get the same answer. We'll get the same answer. మీకు కావాలంటే ఒకసారి షార్ట్కట్ మెథడ్ చేసి చూపిస్తాను, ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సో ది గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ 5:4. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years 11:9. ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్న ఇలా మిడిల్ లో నోట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను మీకు నేను. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ అండి? Cross multiplication, check the difference. 9 5s are 45. Okay, 11 4s are 44. So 45 ki 44 ki difference entandi 1 andi. Next, what is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. 11 ki 9 ki difference enta 2. Okay, so next coming to the third step andi. We have to find out the percentage of B. So B is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 3 years. 4 3s are 12 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Okay, step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Okay, 12 2s are 24. That's why option B is the right answer. That's why option B is the right answer guys here. Clear and all of you? If you are going to basic method and D, we'll get the same answer. No issue. Right. Anyone, any doubts regarding this problem, guys? So all Charan already option B is the right answer. Okay, right, Andy. So I think no need pen and paper, guys. Any doubts regarding second problem? All of you, please respond. మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంటే ఇంకా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ కట్స్ మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తామండి. ఓకే, రైట్. సో రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లా కాకుండా సో మీరు కొంచెం యాక్టివ్గా ఉన్నారనుకోండి, సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ కట్స్ నేను చెప్తూ ఉంటాను. ఎస్, ఓకే. సో ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి. ఓకే, అలా అని చెప్పి 100% ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. ఓన్లీ 90% మాత్రం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయండి. 10%. For example, the problem is very difficult. Definitely, we are going to basic method or shortcut method, guys. So that time, so no option verification. Right, Andy. And move on to next problem, guys. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1:2. And 5 years back, the ratio was 1:3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? Very good question, Andy. Anyone, guys? What is the answer? Anyone? If you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, we'll get the same answer. No issue, guys. Which option is the right answer? Anyone? All of you, please respond. So somebody saying 3:5. Very good, excellent, guys. Excellent. 3:5. Let me check. No issue, guys. Here, I'm going to here shortcut method, guys. Here, right? So the present age of two brothers age ratio is how much? 1:2, guys. Here. So 5 years back, the ratio is how much? 1:3 అండి. సో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టింగ్ లో చెప్పాను. ఆఫ్టర్ అన్నా ఓకే బిఫోర్ అన్నా సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందండి. సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. వెరీ గుడ్, ఎక్సలెంట్ అండి. So what is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Difference is how much? 1. Okay. And second step difference is, so 1, 3 difference is how much? 2. We have to find out the first brother age, guys, here. First brother, how many parts? One part. How many years back? 5 years back. 1 into 5, 5. Into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. First brother age is how much, guys? 10 years. First brother age is how much? 10 years. And coming to the second brother age, guys, here. Second brother age. Second brother. How many parts here? 2 parts. How many years ago? 5 years back. Okay. So 5 twos are 10 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 10 twos are 20. Second brother is how much, guys? 20 years. So problem మనం ఏం find out చేయాలి? After 5 years. After అంటే ఏంటి? ప్లస్ ఏ కదా. Plus 5 plus 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25. So 5 threes are and 5 fives are. 3:5. So that's why option B is the right answer, guys. Here option B is the right answer. Very good, excellent. Okay, somebody saying option A. No one hits wrong answer. Option B is the right answer. 3:5. Very good, excellent. Somebody saying option B and 3:5. Excellent. Right? If you are going to basic method, okay, you'll get the same answer. No issue, guys. Here exam point of view, a problem ని ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేయగలం, ఎంత స్మార్ట్ గా థింక్ చేయగలం, అది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి ఇక్కడ. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం? Okay, right, guys. Here and move on to next one. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? How old is father at present? Anyone, guys? What is the answer, guys? I think no need pen and paper. Anyone? Which option is the right answer? All of you, please respond in chat box. So anyone, which option is the right answer? So somebody saying 45, somebody saying option A. Very good, excellent. Okay, right. I think no need pen and paper, guys. Here, I think no need pen and paper. And explain చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తున్నానండి. Otherwise not required అండి. Right. First read the question properly, guys. Here. First read the question properly. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? How old is father at present? Okay, right. What is the first statement, guys? Here, the present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know. Let one, guys. Here, I'm going to shortcut method. That's why I'm using here one. Father, sorry, son age is we don't know. Let one. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. 5 is to 1. Any doubts, guys? This point? Any doubts regarding this point, guys? Here. Okay, very good. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son. 5 years ago also, son ages we don't know, let one. Okay, 5 years ago also, son ages we don't know, let one. Father is how many times? 10 times. 1 into 10, 10. Okay, all right, and go through option verification. I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. I think no need pen and paper. Find out the percentage of father, guys, here. Present father is how many parts? 5 parts. 5 years ago, father is how many parts? 10 parts. Go through option verification. What is the first option, guys, here? 45. 45 is a multiples of 5, guys. 45 is a multiples of 5? Yes. 5 nines are 45. How many years ago? 5 years ago. Ago means minus. Ago means minus. 45 minus 5 is how much, guys? 40. Okay, right. 40 is a multiples of 10, guys. Yes, 10 fours are 40. So that's why first option is the right answer. Okay, the father's present age is how many years, guys? 45 years. 45 years. Check the remaining options also. No issue, guys, here. So what is the second option? 50. 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 tens are 50. 5 years ago. 50 minus 5. 45. 45 is a multiples of 10, guys. No. So that's why wrong, guys, here. That's why wrong. And move on to third option. 60. 60 is a multiples of 5, guys. Yes. 5 12s are 60. 5 years ago. 60 minus 5. 55. 55 is a multiples of 10, guys. No, that's why option C also wrong option, guys, here. That's why option C also wrong option. And first option is the right answer. Father's present age is how much, guys? 45 years. Okay, all right. Any doubts regarding this point, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this point? So anyone, please respond. Any doubts regarding this point? So it's problem, guys, here. Any doubts regarding this problem? All of you, please respond. I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. Okay, right, and move on to next problem. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. And after 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. Find their present age. Find their present age, guys, here. Anyone, guys, which option is the right answer? I think no need pen and paper, guys, here. If you are perfect in fundamentals, okay, problem very, very dead easy, guys. Anyone, which option is the right answer? I think no need pen and paper. Go through option verification, we'll get the answer. Go through shortcut method, we'll get the answer. If you are going to basic method, we'll get the answer. No problem, guys, here. All of you, please respond. Which option is the right answer? So somebody saying option, no. Okay. Anyone? All of you, please respond. Which option is the right answer? Okay, right. And so what is the first option, guys? Sir, I'm going to shortcut method, guys, here. Okay. So 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. And after 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. Find their present age. Find their present age, guys, here. Okay. Right, Andy. I'm going to option verification. What is the first option? 36 and 40 years. Okay. 36 and 40 years, guys, here. Go through option verification. 4 years ago అనండి. 4 years ago అంటే minus. Okay. 36 minus 4 ఎంతండి? 32. So 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. Okay. And 40 minus 4 ఎంతండి? 36. 36 is a multiples of 3 అండి. Yes. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమన్నాడు? ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years అన్నాడు. ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years. ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే ప్లస్. ఓకే, ప్లస్ 36 plus 4 40. 40 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 8s are 40. So 40 plus 4 44. 44 is the multiples of 7. No, that's why first option is the wrong option. That's why first option is the wrong option. And move on to second option. So 32 and 48 years. 32 and 48 years. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. So 4 years ago, minus 4. Okay, so sorry, minus 4. Right. So 48 minus 4 is how much, guys? 44. Look at the screen, guys, here. 44 is the multiples of 3. No, that's why option B also wrong option, guys, here. That's why option B also wrong option. And move on to third option. 40 and 56, guys, here. 40 and 56, guys, here. 4 years ago, right? 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Right, Andy. 4 years ago. So 40 minus 4 entandy? 36 Andy. 36 is a multiples of 2. Yes. So 56 plus, so 56 minus 4 entandy? 52. 52 is a multiples of 3, guys. 52 is a multiples of 3. No. So that's why option C also wrong option. Okay. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేస్తాం మనము. నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి. నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. వై? బికాస్ సో కళ్ళు మూసుకొని ఆప్షన్ డి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేయచ్చు మనం ఇక్కడ. వై? బికాస్ సో ఇక్కడ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మనకి. ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అనే కదా. గాట్ మై పాయింట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఇచ్చిన 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అండి. ఇంకా చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. కళ్ళు మూసుకునే ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ డి ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేయచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇది క్లాస్ కాబట్టి నేను ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి చాలంతే. రైట్ అండి. 4 years ago అన్నాడు. 36 minus 4 ఎంత అండి? 32 అండి. 32 is a multiples of 4 అండి? Yes అండి. సో 52 minus 4 ఎంత అండి? 48 అండి. 48 is a multiples of 3 అండి? Yes అండి. ఓకే. ప్లస్ 4 ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years కదా. సో 36 plus 4 ఎంత అండి? 40 అండి. 40 is a multiples of 7 అండి? Yes అండి. ఓకే. 52 plus 4 ఎంత అండి? 56 అండి. 56 is a multiple 7 అండి? Yes అండి. 7 8 the 56 కదండి. So that's why option D is the right answer, guys, here. That's why option D is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Say yes or no. Anyone please respond. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Okay, very good, guys. Okay, right. So move on to next problem, guys. Right, we are going to very slow, right, guys? Yes, we are going to very slow. Okay, right. Should I increase my speed, guys? Should I increase my speed? Okay, all right. So the given question here, Harsha is 40 years old and Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3 is to 5? How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3 is to 5 only? Right. So which option is the right answer, guys? Anyone? All of you, please respond. Which option is the right answer? So I think no need pen and paper, guys. Here, go through option verification. Will get the answer. Go through option verification. Will get the answer. Okay. Harsha is 40 years old. Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago? Ago means minus. How many years? We don't know. Let X. Okay. How many years ago the ratio was 3 is to 5 only? Okay. Go through option verification. Option verification. What is the first option, guys? Here 10. And substitute here, guys, 10. So minus 10, minus 10. Okay. 40 minus 10, 30. 60 minus 10, 50. So 0 0 cancel. Then answer is 3 is to 5. So satisfied or not? Yes, satisfied. That's why after, sorry, 10 years ago, the ages was 3 is to 5, guys. Here 3 is to 5. That's why first option is the right answer, guys. Is it clear, guys? All of you? All of you, please respond. Am I audible, guys? All of you? Guys, all of you, please respond. The screen is visible. Anyone, please respond, guys. Okay, so right, guys, move on to next problem. The ratio of the ages of two persons is 4 is to 7. And the age of one of them is greater than that of the other by 30 years. The sum of their ages in years is. The sum of their ages in years is, guys, here. Okay, right, Andy. Anyone, guys, which option is the right answer? The ratio of the ages of two persons is 4 is to 7. And the age of one of them is greater than other by 30 years. So the given statement here, greater than, guys, here. Greater than means we are checking difference. We are checking difference. 4, 7. Difference is how much, guys? 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. 3 parts is equal to how many years, guys, here? 30 years. 3 parts is equal to how many years? 30 years, guys, here. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. Here, for example, 3 students, 30 chocolates, guys, here. 3 students, 30 chocolates, right? Each student getting how many chocolates? 10 chocolates, guys, here. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 tens are. One part is equal to how many years? 10 years. Okay, first find out the first person age. First person is how many parts here? 4 parts. So 4 into 10, 40 years. Second person is how many parts? 7 parts. One part is how many years? 10 years. 7 into 10, 10. The sum of their ages. Sum means total ages, guys, here. 70 plus 40 is how much, guys? 110 years. So that's why option A is the right answer, guys, here. That's why option A is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Anyone, any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Right. Move on to next problem. The sum of ages of five children born at the intervals of 3 years. Each is 50 years. So what is the age of the youngest child? What is the age of the youngest child, guys, here? Okay. So anyone, which option is the right answer? I think very dead easy problem, guys, here. So anyone, which option is the right answer? The sum of ages of five children born at the intervals of 3 years. Each is 50 years. Okay, right, Andy. The first person ages we don't know, guys, here. It means first child. First child ages we don't know. Let X, guys, here. X. Second child ages how much? X plus 3. Because each child between gap is how many years, guys? 3 years. Okay. So X plus 3. And third child age is how much, guys? X plus 6. Okay. Fourth child age is how much, guys? X plus 9. Fifth child age is how much, guys? X plus 12, guys. The sum of their ages 50 years. Sum and add. Okay. So plus. Okay. How many x here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5x plus. So 12 plus 9, 21, 21 plus 6. Okay. 27, 27 plus 3, 30 is equal to 50. So 5x is equal to 50 minus 30, 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are. X is equal to 4 years. So we have to find out the youngest child. Youngest child is how many years? How many per X value, right? X means how many years? 4 years. That's why option B is the right answer. That's why B is the right answer, guys. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Any doubts regarding this problem? Okay, guys. So, any doubts ఉంటే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పింక్ చేయండి. అగైన్ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను, నో ఇష్యూ అండి. Okay, right. So tell us, guys. So how well did you understand up to now? So completely, partially, not at all. How well did you understand up to now? How many questions completed? Okay. So any doubts regarding previous questions, guys? So all of you, please respond. ఓకే గైస్, సో టుడే సెషన్ ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. అదర్వైజ్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో గైస్. యూ. So anyone, any doubts regarding today's session, guys? So anyone, any doubts regarding today's session? Otherwise, we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow. Remaining topic. Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow.